Hey guys, it's MissMeow Roller Girls here. We're going to welcome you to our first unboxing video. I'm Tootsie and this is Twizzler.
Hi guys.
These are the new CrazySkate Evoke. We love our Crazy Skates and they've been kind enough to send us their much hyped new Evoke skate. We're super excited.
Alright. I'm excited.
I know,
Shall we
me
start unboxing?
We should. What is this?
I'm so excited. It's a case.
It is!
It's a full-on case.
Ooh.
That's amazing. Yep.
Wow!
Yours is
Check this out, guys. Mine
Yes,
is
black.
Woo! Your favorite. Wow!
Wow.
Look at this. It's just like a train case.
It is. Look at the studding. The band.
Oh my goodness! And look, it's got a little luggage tag,
It does too.
little metal clip. I'm just going to
And
turn
the
it around
latch.
so everyone can see it. So it's got a metal clip and luggage tag. And it's got embossed on here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but we'll get a close up of that.
Crazy.
Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's very sturdy.
It is.
The attention to detail, and this is like leatherette. It just, I mean,
It's everything. It's so good.
should we open?
Shall we? Yes. Get the latch.
Okay, let's do it at the same time.
Yes.
Ready?
Ready?
Set,
Go.
Ooh!
No way. Look at it.
That is just gorgeous. So let's talk about this bag. What's this bag all about? Wow! It's like a satin
It is.
with
Oh, that's good. It's all protected.
You could keep them in this as well because there's enough room in there for two skates.
I like how it fits perfectly.
Gorgeous. And then look, it's got a little like embroidered patch,
It does too.
the Evoke on it. That is stunning.
It's so thought out. That's what I like about it.
Oh, 100%. I love it.
It's exciting.
Let's get a skate out.
Let's have a look.
Oh my goodness, look at that
Dog
purple. It's amazing.
Oh.
Whoa!
It's suede.
Yeah. Isn't that
Matching
cute?
wheels.
That is just gorgeous.
I got black
Feel how
wheels.
soft that is. And in here, it's just, that's just so soft that I
It's
think,
beautiful.
like, you really wouldn't need to wear these in.
No, you wouldn't.
They're just, I lost the
I
words. They're
know,
so
they're
beautiful.
so pretty. And rubber stops. Look at those. That's
Yeah, so these
beautiful.
stops look like they're like an Allen key one, so that's really good. They
Yeah.
won't be coming loose or anything. That's really good.
Outdoor wheels.
Yes,
Outdoor
perfect.
wheels. Yes.
Perfect. And it's got a nice plate on it too. That's
The
really good.
heel. Look at the heel.
Hey, the heel. So that looks like a die cut. That's
gorgeous.
And it's metal.
Yeah, it's not. Oh my goodness.
No expense spared. I love this silver trim around here too. It matches the die cut.
Imagine us rolling around the rink on this.
Very
Loving
exciting.
ourselves.
So what else? Let me see. Oh look, have you seen the Crazy?
On the tongue?
Yes.
Oh.
The tongue's
yeah.
the tongue's super soft as well. It's got like a foam. I guess is that be foam, like a lining? Makes it really, really soft. But I'm just so impressed with that ankle.
I know.
That soft ankle.
The shape, everything's beautiful.
Yeah. But look at this. Just the attention to detail. See how it's got Crazy?
Exactly. That's gorgeous.
It is. It's got Crazy around the eyelets, Crazy on the inside trim.
Crazy on the heel.
That is just amazing. I'm
I
literally
love
lost
it.
for words.
Love it, love it, love it.
Hey, we've got matching laces.
We have. These
So
are
then,
cute.
because these come in a teal as well. So I'm thinking maybe the
Right.
teal probably have the same laces,
yeah.
which would look gorgeous.
And teal wheels most likely.
I like these little lace things that are the same colour as the skates. Oh, I love this purple. Are you happy with the black?
I am so happy. Lucky. I feel lucky.
Yeah. Amazing. Well, that was our unboxing.
Of the Evoke.
We'd just like to say thank you to CrazySkate. We absolutely love them.
Thank you.
These skates are amazing. We can't believe how lucky we are to have these. We love you. We totally adore you.
We
Thank you
do.
so much.
Thank you, Crazy.
Thank you, Crazy. Well,
let's go skate.
but I've got to run, got a date with the skate.
Bye.
Bye.